Hey everyone, it's Mark, and today we're taking a look at a sovereign citizen who tries the sovereign citizen script during a traffic stop, and as you would expect, he gets arrested. Let's roll the video.
No problem, sir. Just the reason for the stop today is I noticed that you don't have a valid driver's license plate on the vehicle right now. What do you have here?
That is a questionnaire with the notification that I am a lawful traveler, sir.
I can already hear you, sir.
Is there an emergency I can assist you with?
Well, no, sir. The reason I'm contacting you don't have a license plate as you're required to have.
I have a statement that I am not for hire. If you read that and understand, do you understand that I am not for hire?
Okay.
Number one, I am not a commercial driver. Do you understand this?
I understand.
All right. Therefore, by law, I am not required in my recreational vehicle to have a license or registration.
And all that information's on this stuff that you
Yes, sir, it is.
Well,
there's a
I'll
question.
definitely oblige you, and I'll take a look at that stuff. But do you have a driver's license or anything?
No, sir, I don't have any ID with me at all.
You don't? Okay.
I'm not required by law to carry ID.
Okay. You aware in the state of Oregon, if you're driving a motor vehicle on the highway, you're required to carry and present your driver's license?
I'm not driving a motor vehicle, sir.
Well, I won't argue that point with you. I understand your point of view on those
I'm
kinds
traveling.
of things.
If you're not driving, then how did the car get to that location where you are right now? It certainly didn't drive itself. Oh, and by the way, you're sitting in the driver's seat.
What I do is I enforce the Oregon laws. Okay, so I am required to ask you for that stuff, and you're required to provide that stuff. But since you don't have that on you, would you mind providing me with your name and date of birth?
No, sir, my name is I am.
Your name is I am. Okay, well that's going to be a problem for me.
Yes, it is, because I don't own a name. The government issues names for people, but I was not born with a name. I do not own a name. So.
Well, do you have a name that you go by besides I am?
I do not, sir.
Do you have a name that you were given when you were born?
I do, but I'm not going to. If a question, is it true that anything I say can and will be used against me in a court of law?
Well, right now, sir, the only crime that you could potentially be committing would be fail to carry and present your driver's license.
And
here's the deal. As long as I can ID you, I don't want to go that route if we can. So a name and date of birth work for me, just so I can verify that you have a valid driver's license and privileges in the state of Oregon. The problem is if you don't, then in the eyes of the state of Oregon, you are committing a crime. And at which point, then I will read you your Miranda rights and make sure that you are aware of what they are.
I will also read yours if you read in there. Well, there are subjects that you are opening yourself up to, sir. I don't believe you want to get involved in.
As I stated, I would oblige you on that. I'll take a look at this.
Please do, sir.
But I'd like this to kind of be a two-way street where we can work together on this.
I would
When I contact somebody, I like to know who I'm talking to. I obviously know that your name is not I am, okay? So... I'm not at liberty to give you my name, and I refuse on the grounds that tends to incriminate me.
At this point, the officer should just arrest him for failure to identify. Don't stand there for 20 minutes on the side of the road debating this with him.
Well, here's what I'll do then, sir, because I have explained to you that failing to carry and present a driver's license in the state of Oregon is a crime. So I'm going to read you your rights so that you understand your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before being questioned if you wish. If you do give a statement, you can stop talking anytime you wish. Do you understand those rights?
No, sir, I do not understand. No, sir, I do not understand. I do not.
So, let me ask you
this. I do not consent. I do not comply.
Okay.
I am a free citizen traveling on the highways.
Okay.
It's all in there. The laws are in there, the Supreme Court laws and everything, and it's Oregon laws. Let's see, what else have we got here? Oh God, I have got things for days. First off, here is something you should read.
Wait, I can't hear, sir. What?
That's something you should read right off of the bat.
So what is this that you're handing me?
It's just some sovereign citizen nonsense that he printed off of some website.
It is Oregon law.
Okay. And what is this referring to?
To my vehicle and yes, sir. It's all there.
Okay. Well, so I'm trying to make this as simple as we can.
So am I, sir. Am I being detained?
Yes, of course you're being detained. Why else would the officer be talking to you right now?
So,
Hmm?
okay.
Am I being detained?
I'm sorry. Again, you're gonna have to speak
Am
up.
I being detained?
Right now you are, sir.
Then
I can't hear you.
then I refuse to make any further statements
Okay.
based on the grounds that it might tend to
I'm
incriminate
gonna give you this back because I don't need this, okay?
Let's see, is
So
that
what I'm
back?
asking you to do is go ahead and step out of the vehicle, okay? At this point, you are under arrest for failing to carry and present a driver's license, okay? So listen to me very carefully.
You're trespassing, sir.
If you do anything other than what I say, then I'm gonna take that as that you're resisting arrest. Do you understand?
You're trespassing,
Do you understand
sir.
what I'm saying?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay,
You're
at
trespassing.
this point, you're under arrest. Do you understand?
You're trespassing,
Okay.
sir. Call my lawyer.
That's fine. I need you to take your seatbelt off and step out of the vehicle.
Sometimes I think sovereign citizens wake up in the morning and they ask themselves, how can I get arrested today? I'm glad the officer didn't waste too much time with this guy because it was clear from the start he was deep down the sovereign citizen rabbit hole and was never going to identify himself. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.